Good morning, my dear students. Today I am back with experiment number 4. As you can see in your screen, refraction of light, which you might have a little bit idea about the refraction, the whole process of refraction in which the ray of light which tends to bend its way when it is passing from one medium to another, from one rarer medium to another denser medium. As you can see, I have drawn a diagram which is very much important for 10 class of both CBSE and ICSE syllabus. Okay, so rectangular glass slab. In this experiment, we are going to observe the tilting of this refracted ray. This is the incident ray. As you can see in your screen, the AB path is showing us the incident ray, and this is a normal drawn by me, and this is the path BC, which is the refracted ray, and then from C to D, this is known as the emergent ray, which is parallel to the incident ray if the incident ray has not deviated from its path. But we have studied in the process of refraction, it's known as the bending of light. So today we are going to check the bending of light. Experiment number 4. You can see the equipments used are rectangular glass slab, beaker, and a laser light. So this is the way we are going to perform. These are the equipments as you can see in your screen. This is the beaker. We are going to compare the ray of light, and this is the laser light. We are going to use it. So now moving on to the experiment portion without wasting any further time. This series will continue like this only. Okay, a series of experiments which you are seeing on the board, it will continue like this only. First experiment, burning of magnesium wire. Second, we have done about physics, which was spring balance, upthrust one. Take it. Third, we have done about zinc wala, which means hydrogen, chemistry. And then this is the fourth experiment we are doing for physics. And then the fifth one will go chemistry, physics, and the series will continue, inshallah. Okay, now let's move on to performing the experiment.
You can see I'm trying to perform the experiment. As the ray of light is passing from here till here, it's getting refracted as per the refraction of light experiment. As you can see, there is a deflection of ray of light as the light which is incident from the bottom. You can see that it is getting a little bit of shifted towards the left side, which is the clear proof that the refraction of light is taking place. Otherwise, this would have been a straight light parallel to the incident ray, but it is getting refracted, and the ray of light which you can see on the left side of the screen is total internal reflection. When the incident ray is greater than the critical angle of the glass, which is 42 degrees, as you will study in your class 10, that is where total internal reflection is taking place. So when I put it here in the like an angle and I am showing it, as you can see, there is a clear spark, as you can see in the prism and in the video as well. Clearly, if you can see, once more I'm trying to give you a perfect image so that you are able to locate it. Yes, as you can see in your screen now, there is a little bit of refraction otherwise, and if I'm changing the angle of incidence, the emergent ray is also getting changed. So this is the conclusion of the experiment when it is passing in the rectangular glass slab, and when you change the angle, then there is a, and if your angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle of the glass, you will observe a total internal reflection, which is being shown here. That's all for today. Thanks. I hope this experiment was performed in a dark environment because it was necessary. And then I'm moving into the lighter area. This was the experiment that took place, and I have tried many things. It's not that एक बार में ही हो जाता है. अलग अलग कोशिश किया गया इसके ऊपर. ये तौलिया डाल के डार्क रूम को क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की गई स्टैंड पे, बट स्टिल आई वॉज अनेबल टू गेट सम रिजल्ट. Alhamdulillah, I have achieved it after a series of attempts. And then there was an experiment which we can perform in this manner, but we have to first shut down the light. Okay. If you look closely at the top, there is a look closely means look closely. If you can locate it, there is a refraction of light. If you cannot locate it, one thing you can you can learn from refraction is that when we place anything, suppose करो हम pencil पकड़ते हैं. This experiment also shows that there is a refraction. If you look closely, the pencil is looking like it has been broken, but यहाँ कुछ है नहीं. ये वाला जो पोर्शन में टच कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ अपेयर कर रहा है कि उसका लेंथ वहाँ पर है, बट वो असली में वहाँ नहीं है. वो उसका अपेरेंट डेप्थ है, और उसका जो असली रियल डेप्थ है वो अंदर में है, बट वो अपेयर कर रहा है कि यहाँ पर है. और वो पेंसिल ब्रोकन अपेयर होता है. असली में डेप्थ यहाँ तक का है, बट वो अपेयर क्या कर रहा है, यहाँ पर है, लेकिन यहाँ कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है. एंड यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज अ स्टेट ऑफ ए डेविएशन ऑफ द पाथ एज द पेंसिल हम जहाँ से डाले हैं वहाँ पर का, और जहाँ पर वो शो कर रहा है, देखिए आप जिग जैग का लगता होगा जेड फॉर्म, तो वहाँ टूटा हुआ थोड़ी ना पेंसिल. असली में पेंसिल तो स्ट्रेट ही है. हम इसको निकाल के दिखा देते हैं. देखिए pencil is straight, but when I'm putting it into the water, it's appearing like this. So this phenomena is also the same which we're trying to prove, refraction in a dark environment. Bending of pencil, which means जो लाइट इस पे एंटर कर रहा है, जो वाइट लाइट हम लोग को प्रोवाइड किया गया ट्यूब लाइट से, वो क्या कर रहा है कि वो रिफ्रैक्शन का प्रॉपर्टी शो करते हुए हमको ये अपेयर करवा रहा है कि वो बेंड हो गया है. But the pencil is not broken as you have observed it. That's all for today. Next video for chemistry. Thank you for all your support. Keep watching AG classes for more experiments like this.